Hi, I'm Erica Keller, and this is my assignment 4 for MIT 805. So I did my assignment 2 project on collaboration with technology in a non-one-to-one classroom. I really like this quote that I started my paper off with. Students tend to perform better when they are learning in an environment that encourages them to work together with high-performing peers to reach a common goal. This is from Schnellman in 2018. The reason I chose my topic was because I currently teach third grade. We are not one-to-one at the elementary school, and many years ago we were told that the idea would be that we would never go one-to-one because we wanted to make sure that kids did collaborate and had to share devices and work together. Um, I also wanted some backing on what I am currently doing, as well as I wanted information to help me move forward. One of the sites I went to was Common Sense Media, and I found a lot of tools that could help with collaboration. A lot of the research that I found, though, was more about, collaborating, like me doing something on my computer and then somebody working from their device. And so a lot of that is still the one-to-one. But another article that I read even mentions how, when we give kids devices, it's almost like we're giving them an $800 pencil, and um, we're not changing how we're teaching or anything, and that it's time for change, and that collaboration is a huge key part to that. So while tools are really great, I think that there is a basis for just teaching kids how to collaborate, and sometimes that's without devices. But working together, sharing, being able to take ideas and mix them together and form something stronger than they would have done on their own. I also, the time for change, so instead of just going one-to-one, using devices, and if there's not as many, kids are kind of forced to collaborate, not only on, they work on a paper separately, but they actually have to work on it together because they have to share something, and they have to collaborate, which was the whole process. And through this, doing this the whole idea actually of the whole project was to collaborate with our teammates and such. And so I did learn a lot from them. But again, it was something where I was doing something on my computer. And so when I think of collaboration, I think of something where you are actually face to face, or you are in real time working and solving a problem. And it kind of forces you to have to take a step back from just what you would normally do and think of others and accept others and their ideas. And I think one of the things that has to happen there is to um, work for work on some collaboration skills. And that was something that I got some really good research from some of my other colleagues of what they had done while they were looking, whether it be in the math classroom and such. So not just tools for collaboration, but actually how do you establish collaboration with whether you have technology or not in the classroom. So my final thoughts is I really did like this project. I learned more. I chose this originally because I thought I was really good at it. And so I thought, oh, it'd be pretty easy. But I think collaboration has so many definitions to so many people, and it's a very personal idea, which is odd with what the definition is. But I think that through going through this process, it gave me more of an idea of that there is multiple ways to collaborate. So whether I do have a one-to-one device or whether we don't, but just saying, hey, collaborate is it's not going to make it happen. And there's a lot of basic teaching to be done before kids can thoroughly work together. Thank you.